Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to bookmark on Twitter. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, I would open my Twitter application. After that, I will find that post I want to bookmark. Here I will tap on share option on that post. After tapping on share option, there is option of bookmark. Tap on it. So here we go. That's how you can bookmark on Twitter. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.